Yes, I go by the name DJ Symphonic.
Mr. DJ.
Yes, as you know, as we present to you, DJ Symphonic Music Studios.
Of course.
Welcome, guys. Welcome.
Welcome.
Today, it's only tips, the structures on how to handle some other things quick.
Of course.
Right. Let's just jump in. Yes. Okay. Let's say, guys, we're having maybe a piece of sample, right? Let's say you have a piece of a sample. Okay, here is this piece of a sample, right?
Of course.
Okay, fine. Then let's say you don't know the tempo, right? So you're willing to adjust this sample in your own tempo.
Perfect.
Right. Okay. First thing, some of us, we normally just try to find it using a key or maybe a tempo there, like this, trying to drag and find out which is which. Okay. This, let's say you want to go this in a quick way, simplest way. Let me show you. Simple, show them. Okay, you just come here, guys, here, right? You just tick here and then hold Alt, right, on your keyboard, then drag this thing, right?
Perfect.
Then you have to make sure you double click, cause here it's already said resample. Make sure you put it on auto, right? To keep the key, it's gonna be up to you, but I normally put it on auto. Then if I want to change the key, I'll go to the pitch, or maybe I use sound shift, right? Okay, then there you go. Now it's going with the template you need, even if you can adjust, right? Even if you can go 150, right? Right? Simple as that.
Simple.
You're winning. Fast and quick one. I'm coming around with the second tip that you must make sure you don't miss this second one. Right? Okay. Yes, I'm back with another one. Alright. Yes. Okay. Guys, let's say you are making a song, right? Then here you go. You come around, you play your song like this, and this thing happens here. Your CPU, right? And then your CPU start to show up like this. There is a way to get rid of this kind of thing. You just go to tools, macros, switch smart, disable for all plugins, right? Then you see, you nice, it just went straight to 2, 3, 15. Then you're able to do your thing as simple, as quick as that. Thank you, guys. Thank you for making sure you always watching. Simfo is gonna come up with another tips for next episode. Thank you for watching. Keep viewing this thing. Tell your friends.